I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. I came up here. I don't have a plan. I have not been up here to film in a couple of weeks. Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I am so out of sorts. I have not been filming. I think I put out one video since I got back from Bora Bora in Tahiti. Life's been lifing. I don't really love that term, but I don't know what else to say, you guys. I have been so busy. Okay, let me do a little recap. The last video that I did, I shared with you guys this gorgeous necklace, what Keith got me for my birthday. Okay, I still have another gift that I need to share with you guys, another birthday gift from Keith, and it will be revealed on Saturday. I promise, okay? I'm making a promise, but I just have not been able to get up here. So much has been going on. I've got to get back in the swing of things. I miss you guys so much, but life has just really been busy, and we just celebrated Drew's 3rd birthday party. I cannot believe he will be 3 on Wednesday. And since we got back on our trip, I have just not been able to get back into the swing of things. What can I say? But I do have a lot of catching up to do. I have a lot of things to share with you. And a lot of it has to do with birthday gifts. And the big birthday gift, I mean, this was a big birthday gift, a huge birthday gift. This was not expected. But I have a gift that I want to share with you guys on Saturday. So that is coming up. That's a little cliffhanger for you. But I have some Coach items here. I'm dying to get into these boxes, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you what I've picked up from Coach since I've been home from my trip, because I to be honest with you guys, I just can't take it anymore. And I don't want this video to be too long. I try to keep them under 20 minutes. I even think 20 minutes is too long, but we're gonna go ahead and do these Coach unboxings, and I'll show you my bag of the day. If you want to see what I have to share with you, stick around. Okay guys, I'm going to show you my bag of the day. I haven't carried this bag in a while, so I went to church this morning. I wanted something that looked, you know, ladylike, and it was raining. So I thought, this is perfect. You guys, I love my little Alma BB, and I would love to have that white one, but I don't like that blue braided handle. I just don't love it. How do you guys feel about it? But I would love to have a light color Alma, but you guys, this one's perfect, and I think it's really pretty with this little round coin case on it. And of course I have my initials on it. This is just a fabulous bag, and I'm probably going to carry this bag. Probably, I'll carry it tomorrow. I have to go with Keith. He has to get an MRI tomorrow. So I think I will carry this tomorrow until midweek probably. So I like to carry it just handheld. I take the strap off. I don't love the strap on this bag, but this is my bag for today and the next few days. Okay. I'm also going to back up a bit since I haven't been making videos and show you the bag I carried all last week, you guys, and it was this one. So I broke this out and I carried it for an entire week with, of course, this wallet. Love this bag so much. This is the swinger bag, and of course I love the cherries, and I put some of these little tiny cherries on it, and I just really enjoyed it. This bag will hold more than it looks like it will, and I really enjoyed it so much that I did carry it all last week. So, all right, so we're caught up on the bags. Let's go ahead and tear into these Coach items that I've been dying to see. All right, so this is a small item, and I took it out of the box, but I have not yet looked at it. So let's go ahead and check this out. I believe I believe this is a jewelry piece that I ordered. I do love Coach jewelry. I've told you guys so many times when I've shared with you my Coach jewelry collection that I think it's really, really good quality and I really enjoy it. Okay, it is a jewelry item and it is a little kiss lock necklace, and I love it because it's silver and just this chain, and it does really open up. Oh, this is something I've been looking for and I finally came across it. Of course, you can't put anything in there, but it's just for looks, but so cute. And it snaps with a little kiss lock, and I just thought this was a really cute necklace. I do love a long necklace, and I just think this is a really, really cute piece. And as I said, I've been looking for this for a little while and I finally came across it. And I'm also looking for the leather one. Okay, so if you guys know where I can find the leather necklace like this with the kiss lock, let me know, because I am on the hunt for it. But I'm super excited to have this really, really cute little piece. Look at that, with the little kiss lock. You guys, I've been looking at more kiss locks. I never really wanted the large size. I do have the medium size, I guess, which is quite large. I do need to do a review on that because I've used it quite a few times and I have really loved it. And I may or may not have ordered another kiss lock necklace. Okay, all right. Now, I don't even remember, you guys, what is in here. I do not remember. It's been a while. I feel like Dee Dee Bean. Hi, Dee Dee. She is the queen of ordering things and then she does not unbox it for weeks, which I'm kind of getting like that, you guys. I get it because we're just so busy and our lives are just so busy, and it's just, I don't know. I just find it lately really... Okay, so let's go ahead and see what is in this box. Coach. All right, I have lately tried to calm myself down from ordering so much Coach. There for a while I was just going a bit crazy, which is easy to do. But I think the last drop, I didn't order anything. There was nothing I really wanted, and I'm not going to chase those drops. Oh, okay. So this is another jewelry piece. Totally forgot about this. I'm excited to see it. So let's open it up. Oh, I love the shade. Okay, this is the pink resin bangle with the C on it. There's another one in kind of a brown, kind of a tiger's eye color. But this pink one really spoke to me. I'm going to take this tag off and put it on. I think there's also a clear one, you guys. I love a bangle bracelet. I've always been a bangle bracelet girl. Oh my gosh, how cute for summer. And I kind of like to put them up like that. I just think that's a really cute look, and it's got that little, as I said, a gold C for Coach. The pink one, when I first saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, how pretty, and I was going to order it, and then I kind of forgot about it, and then I didn't see it on the Coach website anymore. I couldn't find it anywhere, and then I went back to the Coach website, I think like a week later, and there it was, so I grabbed it. So this was $99. I think this is such a cute little piece for summer. And I just love the shade. It's kind of it's a resin piece, of course, and it's kind of a cotton candy pink, but maybe not that bright. So this is 2 jewelry pieces that I ordered. So both of these pieces I think are perfect for summer. By the way, speaking of summer, in a couple weeks I'm going to the beach, me and my daughter and my cousin and her daughter and possibly my sister for a girls trip. We try to do that every year. My sister has a lot of stuff going on, so I'm not sure if she's going. I hope she does, but I will be going to the beach in a few weeks, so I'm super excited. And I just think this is a really cute summer bangle. All right, might have to go back and get that brown one. Okay, and in this box, I got, this is all from Coach, I got a pair of sandals. I try I try to order all of my Coach items straight from Coach if I can. Now sometimes the Rakuten, like at Macy's or something, is 10%, so I want that 10% cash back. But because of the packaging and the way Coach, it's just easier, I think. Sometimes from the department stores, the packaging isn't as nice, so I do try to order from Coach. But anyway, let's go ahead and see what I got. This is something I actually needed. These are some Coach slides. Okay, let me get both pair out. Let me get both out. They're just that soft leather, really pretty chalk color, and I've got a chalk tabby I can wear with this. I wanted these because I've got some Oran sandals. I've got the brown and the black, and I've got some Tory Burch slides like this in black, but I needed some white slides, and I thought these would be perfect to wear to the beach. And so I got these, and I got them in a size 8, I think. Yes. So I usually wear between 7.5 and 8 in Coach shoes. So these look like they're going to fit. I don't know. They look a little bit long. Let me try them on. Okay, guys. So here's the beautiful sandals that I ordered. I tried them on. They are too long. Unfortunately, I could kind of tell when I took them out of the box. So what I'm going to do is wrap them back up and send these back and get a size, probably just a 7.5. These are an 8. So that's what I usually teeter between on Coach shoes. I don't think I'm going to go as small as a 7, but I probably could wear a 7, but these feel a little floppy on me. So yeah, I am going to return these tomorrow and turn right around and reorder them. I think they're really pretty. They also have a shoe like this, just like it, but with like a little kitten heel, and I thought those were really pretty too, but I just wanted these slides. But I am going to return them because they are too long, unfortunately. But that is my Coach haul, and I'm super excited about this bracelet, you guys. This is something I'm probably going to wear all summer long. So I think I'm going to get the brown one that looks kind of like a tiger's eye, and it's kind of swirly and marbly. It's really, really pretty. But I love a bracelet like this, and I have small wrists, and you can see I have plenty of room, but it's perfect for me because when I wear a bangle, and I wore my jade bangle today to church, I like to kind of push them up here on my arm. I think that's kind of a pretty look. Just kind of like that. Yeah. So that's the way I like to wear my bangles. You guys, I'm really sorry that I have not been filming. I know that I've gotten a few new subscribers that have messaged me, and I thank you guys so much for subscribing. Not just that I have been so busy. I guess I'm kind of in a funk. Nothing's wrong, just, you know, I've been doing this now for about 7 years, and sometimes you just get tired of it. And, you know, I feel like when I get to that point, I just need to slow down, take a breath, and just live my life. And I really appreciate you guys being here for me. I really do, because I still enjoy doing this. It's just lately just getting the motivation, and like I said, I do have a very busy life, as we all do, you know? I don't even work a public job, but I do paint, and I'm trying to get ready for a market for next weekend. I hope that I can pull this off by next weekend. But just, you know, things are just kind of like in fast pace. Things are going fast pace. Anyway, guys, I do love you all so much. I've missed being with you. I wanted to share these goodies with you, and I promise I will be back on Saturday to share with you something so fabulous that Keith got me for my birthday. And here it is, you know, mid-June. My birthday was in May, and I'm just now sharing some of this stuff with you, but that's about as good as I could do right now. But anyway, you guys, I do love you. Thanks for sticking it out with me, and I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Peace.